one hand. Alright, so in this video, it's just to showcase exactly what these Daytona Hellcats can do, or these wide bodies can do. The Hellcats, even if you have a scat pack, you can enjoy some of these curvy, windy roads that are out there here in this country. So just to show you guys a POV of what Genzil Supercharged is capable of on a nice day, and I hope you guys enjoy. To the top of the mountains here with my guy AJ, and he's being a great host. So we're gonna take Genzil up to the top and see if I can get some drone footage. The only problem him and I faced earlier was there was no cell service here in these mountains here in New York, but we'll see what happens. Actually, let me put this car in track mode, even though I'm doing decent no gas. Let's go to track. Track-like experience here on this windy road. Just my type of fun. AJ's car handles pretty good. So you can start to feel your ears popping as you're starting to get up. You're starting to climb up in altitude. Downshift. Doing this all with one hand, of course. Let me tell you something. These 2020 wide bodies handle like you wouldn't believe. Superb handling. Swing, 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 swing. Sunroof, get a little more light coming in here. So I'm in full track mode, so power is in 717, transmissions in track, paddle shifters are on, and traction is in track, suspension's in track, and steering is in track. Another beautiful looking spot right here. Let's post up, see if I can get the drone up. Hey, back your car up a little bit so it's like a little bit closer to mine. So more POV for you guys. So this is one of the spots that my guy AJ, who's in front of me in his BMW, had been trying to take me to. As soon as I got the car, he told me I would really love this spot upstate. So definitely windy. Like where we started at. So yeah, actually this is where we started at. Alright guys, and that is going to do it for this POV video. Make sure you guys are subscribed. Make sure you have that bell clicked with all post notifications turned on. And I will see you in